Let's go to Disneyland. Sama kaya? Oy, may araw na! Yehey! Pero mambam pa rin. At yan, kasama natin ang isa nating sibling at ang kanyang pamilya. Kaya tayo ay pupunta na sa Disneyland. At siyempre unahin natin ang mga pambata siyempre para lahat ay makasama. Kaya ano pang inaantay natin? Let's go na. Talaga namang nakaka-excite. Kung hanap nyo ay katuwan at kasiyahan, dito po puntahan nyo ang Small World at saka Frozen. Let's go. May gawin? May gawin? Ano? Yay, all the bears coming! Bye, America! Hindi na tayo sa my friends. Laki ng Philippines. Welcome to Asia. There. It's Danish. Asia. Ayan lang, Pilipinas. My gosh. Yan ang tatin. Pupunang. Kasi siya tayo. Balik na po siya tayo. Islands. Oh, what a mermaid. Nice. Ito ba? Kangaroo. Rainforest. It's raining. It's raining. And here's Uma. Papa ka to. Sinabi lang. Goodbye. Arjun. Paalam. Paalam. Goodbye. Dapat naman tayo sa Frozen. Let's go. Hello. Hi. Wow, look at that.
Hindi ka makita.
Ay, may ano kasi.
Ang nasa kalakot ko, may isang ko.
Hindi.
Kinuha mo yung QR code doon? Para, pag, ano mo kasi yon makakita mo siguro.
Ano eh, parang enjoy ka man sa picture ba?
Kuy ba ang kaget?
Nagkatagal ka namin sa dito.
I teach you a magic word. Say with me, and I it will keep us dry. Okay, together. No. 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 Yeah, you got it. Great job. Remember this magic word. It will keep us dry. You may want to use it later.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, Father. You are not gonna splash water on us, right? Guys, he is going to splash water on us.
Oh
If you
no.
don't want to get wet, what do you want to do? What do you say? Remember? Okay, now get down. We don't have time for saying that low. When we say that he already splashed water on us.
Oh no.
Oh, they get into the Asian temple roots. Why I know that? Because I see that they live in these Asian woods.
Ooh.
Dangerous. And up to here, very fast, right? And then on the front we have an elephant got here. Beside it, wait, is that?
Oh no, the
We better
cobra.
keep quiet. Better keep quiet, or the cobra will bite us.
Kala mo naman totoo.
Lucky they don't bring any guys. But keep alert because which animal here? Remember what they eat to grow up? They eat pet to grow up. So remember, pet stick on the chair and don't leave it for any reason because when the crocodile fights you, they don't ask reason, okay? And now on the front you have an international scientist campsite. Wow, so many gorillas on here.
Oh no.
You waiting for get shot. Don't get me, we're still in danger. We'll be in trouble if we get shot. Finally, we arrived at African Safari Zone. Oh, zebra. Fun fact, male zebra is black with white stripe. Female zebra is white with black stripe. It's easy to tell, right? Excuse me, miss, you can take picture and video, but hand inside the boat, don't put outside the boat, okay? You have to cover up my head, okay? And now on the front you have a, let me present you the most dangerous animal here, Mr. Elephant. Yeah, he is the most dangerous. No, I say here, this Mr. Elephant was more dangerous than his husband. This couple, they're having an argue. Let's get away from here. I don't want to say that. Wait, is that those people from here? Please don't come out. You can always sing 5 last yeah, you stay on here. Very good. And then, oh, is it he said I am not so stinky. Brush your teeth. Oh, those poor scientists. Quick over the first time and then down first take for the ones, right? Now, let's say goodbye to them. Bye-bye. Someone will save them. Obviously, we don't have any siege on our post to save them. Yes, we got them, okay? So many beautiful flags, but with a friendly local welcoming us into their village. Don't worry about the scout, there is only Halloween decoration. Okay, we are in the Halloween season, right? Yeah, next Halloween. Seems like no one on here. Let's say hello to them. Maybe they will come out. Hello, anyone here? This must be sanitation. Has anyone got any data from those friendly local? If yes, please pass this to your skipper because this is my souvenirs, okay? We have like 55 skipper sharing one dot. It is very good. Oh, we can't use this road, we go this way! Say it well, everyone! Wait, where it is? Although I don't know where it is, your skipper is professional. Everything is under control. We can't 非常高。Now we are coming closer and closer. 你高的朋友准备好，OK， together, 1, 2, 3，你疯了的 screamer， Doesn't anyone get burnt?
No.
Hey, no barbecue smelling. Everyone is try. Oh, there's a baby elephant welcoming back. What a lovely welcome back. As tells me, our journey is going to end. Remember, still hand and elbow inside the boat, not in the gray area. On the bamba like this, so this hand inside the boat. Thank you very much for holding the bamba. Sit down, don't stand up, and take care of your children. Okay?
Ang
And then
daming
now we're going
gagyo.
back. Let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye bye.
Bye-bye!
Yeah. Little girl in the middle, please be seated. Don't stand up. Hello, little girl, please be seated. Don't stand up. Yeah, little girl. Yeah, with the purple t-shirt. Yeah, sit down, please be seated, and don't stand up again. Yeah. Okay. When we leave the boat, remember using the middle and the back door to lift the boat. Don't climb this free window because they have a magic glass protecting it. Only Canada people can see that. You can see that, right? Yeah. All of you can see that, right? Yeah, if yes, don't climb it because if you break it, you will become gorilla, and I will send you back to jungle, eat banana in the rest of your whole life. Yeah,
my.
and remember, I say banana, I mean banana peels, not the banana meat. So if you don't want to eat the banana peels, don't climb the window. Okay, and now my boat has stopped. It's time to say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Time by your step, slowly to rush. There's one more door at the back. We can turn our right and go to there and use the back door. Way more faster than you waiting for the
Thank
front
you.
door.
Which is that?
Ayaw niyang bumaba. It's our adventure on Disneyland. Ilan lang po yan. At syempre, ang iba ay abangan natin sa susunod. Kaya, goodbye and thank you.